Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to find draft Instagram Reels video. Alright, it's very easy guys. Now let's get started. The first step to take is to open your Instagram app and then click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you click on that, go ahead and select the Reels option at the bottom of your screen just like this. And if you notice right here at the left hand side, bottom left corner of your screen, you're going to find this plus sign to add a photo from your phone. So go ahead and click on that. Now once you click on that, here the first option you get is the draft option. Now if you click on that, then you'll be able to see all your drafts, all your Reels drafts on Instagram. So guys, this is how you can find Instagram Reels draft videos. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video.